In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Write to create a story or docs. We'll walk through the process inside Canva, step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a polished piece of writing with the help of Magic Write. First, make sure you're in a Canva design that supports text, like a document or a presentation. Once your design is open, look toward the top of your screen for the Magic Write option. Depending on your layout, it might appear in a toolbar or as a button near your text tools. Go ahead and click on Magic Write. This opens the panel where all the AI magic happens and is your starting point for generating a story, a blog-style article, or any kind of document you have in mind. Next, you'll see a field where you can describe what you want to write. This is where you give Magic Write your instructions. The clearer and more specific you are here, the better the result will be. For example, instead of just typing story, you could write something like a short imaginative story for children about a friendly dragon who learns to share. For a document, you could say an outline for a 3-page report about remote work benefits, written in a professional but friendly tone. Think about the purpose of your piece. Who is it for? What tone do you want? Is it formal, casual, educational, or playful? Include those details in your description. You can also mention the length, like about 500 words or 2 to 3 paragraphs, to guide the output. Don't worry about making it perfect. You can always refine your prompt and run it again if needed. Once you're happy with what you've typed, look for the purple arrow button below the description box. This is a generate button that tells Magic Write to start creating your content based on your instructions. Click on that purple arrow and wait a moment while the tool processes your request. After a few seconds, Magic Write will populate the page with your generated story or document. From here, you can read through the content, make edits directly in Canva, adjust the wording, or even regenerate sections if something doesn't quite fit what you had in mind. Think of Magic Write as a starting point or creative partner rather than a final product. And that's it. Click on Magic Write, clearly describe what you want, and then hit the purple arrow to generate. With just those simple actions, you can quickly draft stories and documents that you can polish, customize, and share.